Started our backpacking is ready to go. My 4x4. Taking my 4x4 going to the hiking. This is Kaden grumpy mood today morning when we want to go for camping, hiking, and adventure.
Okay, me and my
Is it recording or not, first of all?
Yes, it's recording. Me,
The lazy person.
and Daddy.
You know, the laziest person to get up early in the morning, Dad, is
Go away! Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
we're
okay,
supposed to be
okay.
excited.
We are going to camp. We are camping for the whole day. And after this, they better give me my DS or not. What do you think? After this, you will see how brave am I and how I deserve the DS a lot. Now back to our main, the person who's doing all this, my father. K out.
K out. My God, K out. Look who's talking.
This is a so-called
Talk loud.
beautiful highway. How is it even beautiful with all these signboards?
I don't know where is my wife taking us, but looks like in the jungle and all that. I don't know what nature we are going now, but one of the natures lah.
Allow yourself to explore. You know?
Hashtag nonsense.
Yeah, right.
Mom. Okay, guys, here is my friend. Here's my friend Arya. Okay, everybody's here, okay? Here is Arya's brother Arjun. Here's Arya. Here's my dad. Here's Arya's mom. Here's Arya's dad. Here's my mom. That's my dad. Okay, so the whole gang is here. We are about to go to the shallow sungai first. Arjun, Arya, how would you like to hold the camera for a little while?
How about I put you?
Oh,
No, thank you.
come on. I'm gonna show you guys something cool. So this is where we are gonna keep everything in this little crate here. You see? My father and Arya's dad already registered, so we are going. Arya, follow me. We are going. Arya's mom, what do you say about this?
Is that a camera? Oh, yes,
Yes. Say something.
I'm so excited to be here with you and
Come.
Arya.
Oh God, you are crossing the bridge. Can you guys see this man? Shine. So I'm busy holding Arya's dad here because I'm super scared. We are done. Oh God, thank you God for saving my life and not letting Arjun and Arya trip it over. There's Arya's dad beside me.
Hi.
Look, chickens. I'm gonna be recording today. I feel like my father has already done 4 videos by himself. So today I'm taking the lead here.
Me. This is our campsite. They will choose. Trying to build a camp. Oh yeah. What do you call this, Flagship. Fly sheet. They call this a fly sheet. Oh, siap got it. This is the one I wanted to get. Actually, I told her already. She said no need and all that. Say we're just going for one day. I say you tak semangat lah you know.
We actually wanted to go to do a shopping in Chicken.
Me and my wife, see, they have a cafe here. They have a cafe here. Okay, finally he done his camp and he's having his coffee right now.
Waiting for you to join me for my coffee.
Here's the campsite. Couple bunch of engineers
Trying to fix it.
trying to fix something up here.
Thank God we made it.
But the best part is the table. I love the table and the chairs. You know, you can have coffee kind of thingy. Finally, I got somebody testing out my blue. What do you call this? I should know.
Your air beanbag.
Air beanbag. Okay, walking to. Oh my God, damn! It's cold. It's freaking cold, Kaden. Look at that. Cool, right? You can do that. What kind of extreme stuff you trying to do, both of you? The kids are up to something. Kids, you know them. All right, ready? You, both of you together. They're floating around. Whoa! Kind of cool. Be careful, huh? It started raining already, and my son and my wife and their friends are not even finished. Our friend here trying to build a Penang bridge over here. So another sungai is trying to do another smart tunnel. How many million budget, bro? She and the water. Arya's mom is busy chasing the flies away so that Arya can have his lunch. Kaden is having his roti canai. See?
Chennai brother.
Nah, the roti canai brothers. You want to know what is roti canai? This is roti canai.
Egg roti canai beside me. I just have
Be careful. Make sure you all wear some what do you call that? That shoe with the water shoes. Yeah, make sure you all wear that to these places. Because the rock all you might is sharp. You see, like me, I hurt myself.
bye bye. Let's go. Oh, not this again. Not this again. No, no, we go to the big channel.
Done for the day. Start packing already. That is the sushi table that we're talking about. Lah. It looks like a sushi table only. Egg roll table. Time to tap out and go back. We have this shuttle service with a cool motorbike hookup is on. Huh? Most of them are packing back, see? And planning to go back already. Should get one of these, man. This is cool. So we're done for the day. Heading back. Me and my wife. She and a peace sign, as normal. This place kind of cool, You have a canteen over there. What is the name of this place, huh?
Bernam Hut.
Bernam Hut. Bernam Nature. He's drinking Milo ice when he wants to go back. He looked like a rock star singer, with his hair and all that.
He looks like a girl. Everybody does.
Is it? No. You check out the style. It's not it or not. Look how big is this space is. And there's chicken over there. Chicken everywhere.
Yeah, he's a pet.
You guys are. This was the place just now we were swimming, playing and stuff. Can I have a look at it? Ooh, it's hot, hot. I'm wearing my bare foot and walking up. Ah! One thing I like about this look, you saw, this thing? Cool, right? The road. Look how nice is it. Look at this windy road. Did you enjoy it or not? Would you recommend to other people to come over?
Yeah, definitely. Especially for young kids.
Let's just give 8.
You give an 8. Kira's giving an 8.
The tube.
Because the walks are very rocky and then minus.
Yeah, you need an aqua shoe.
Yeah, we need to get that next. Okay. Alright, bye for now, guys. We'll catch up with you later for the next trip. Bye.
Bye.
Kiran.
Bye. Okay, then out. Before we leave, I was supposed to do the video, but as usual, my father takes me. So bye.
Yeah. Okay, bye, guys.